Okay, here's the next question. Determine the equation of the circle with the center B here. Center B. Well, we just figured out in the last part that the center was minus 4 and 2. We've got a point on the outside, the circumference, that's minus 2 and 4. Well, AB is a radius, so to get the equation of the circle, we need AB squared. So all we do, let's work out AB squared. We go subtract the x coordinates, minus 2 minus minus 4, that's minus 2 plus 4 squared, 4 minus 2 squared. Well, that's 2 squared, which is 4. That's 2 squared, which is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So AB squared is 8. The radius squared is 8. That goes into this part of the formula, r squared. And this is where you can read your center off. It's the opposite of this. It's x minus minus 4. So I know that this has to be x plus 4. And this has to be minus 2 because that's a positive 2. It's the opposite of those signs. There's the equation of the circle with a center of minus 4 and 2. Now the next question says the equation of the smaller circle, they give it to you. X squared minus 2x plus y squared minus 2y. You have to put it in the form of 2 brackets squared to be able to get it into the form of a circle. Well, let's just give this a try. We need to complete the square. So what you do, there's a secret here. You take half of the number in front of minus 2, which is minus 1, and you square it, times it by itself. Minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. And I add it to both sides. I add a plus 1 here, and I add a plus 1 on the right side, so I don't change the equation. I do the same thing with minus 2y. I add 1 to both sides. Well, 1, now I've added 1 twice, so there's a 2 here. Okay, we've got x minus, now once you've done this, it's in a form that you can just write as a square, and that's what you do. You go x minus half of what you see in front of x squared. X minus 1 squared, hey, that gives me exactly this. And y minus 1 times y minus 1, y minus 1 squared, that gives you this part. Hey, it's looking a lot like a circle, so much like a circle that I can read the center off. I've got the equation. I can see that the center D is going to be 1 and 1. I think that might be the next question, but let's just go and take a look at it. Write down the coordinates of D. Well, I've got the equation, so it's pretty straightforward. It's just 1 and 1. Okay.